thought it'd be fun to show you guys what's in my iPhone video. This is probably one of
And also guys, guess what? I graduated beauty school and I go take my state boards here in about a month. So I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I will be an advanced esthetician. But yeah, I graduated on Friday, January 3rd. So my beauty journey is just starting for like jobs and stuff. So yes guys, I'm off for a little bit, but I graduated and now on to an actual job, which is a lot of things I have in store for me, and I'm so excited to see where this takes me. But anyways, yes, I graduated. I did not film it because I couldn't film in the school or anything, but I did graduate. And I also have my birthday, which is tomorrow, and I'll be 21 years old. So I'm so excited for tomorrow. And it's crazy to think that I'll be 21. That just like blows my mind. But right now I'm just watching some YouTube videos and I'm drinking my coffee for the morning. And it is Sunday, so the day will always be down here. And also Happy New Year guys. I know I said that in the last video, but Happy New Year. I hope this year is good for you guys. And also guys, guess what? I graduated beauty school and I go take my state boards here in about a month. So I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I will be an advanced esthetician. But yeah, I graduated on Friday, January 3rd. So my beauty journey is just starting for like jobs and stuff. So yes guys, I'm off for a little bit, but I graduated and now on to an actual job, which is a lot of things I have in store for me, and I'm so excited to see where this takes me. But anyways, yes, I graduated. I did not film it because I couldn't film in the school or anything, but I did graduate. And I also have my birthday, which is tomorrow, and I'll be 21 years old. So I'm so excited for tomorrow. And it's crazy to think that I'll be 21. Alrighty guys, so right now I'm putting all of my school makeup that I took to like school with me, I'm going to put it back in here to use on clients and to use on me, because obviously it was in that makeup bag. That's how much makeup I was like not having in here because of school. It's like crazy. I have so much makeup. How am I going to fit it in here? I don't know. We're going to do it. We're going to organize this. And then these brushes are for not me but my client. Okay guys, so I just tweezed my eyebrows since I haven't got them waxed in a while, so I thought I would just like tweeze them to make them look better and get some of those hairs where they don't belong out. So I went ahead and tweezed them, and then I went ahead and filled them in because I got all my makeup stuff organized so I could use my one brow kit that I got in my kit for school. And then I went ahead and organized some makeup brushes since my sister got me the James Charles set for Christmas. And now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to go ahead and wash my brushes. And what I use to do that is, I will like show you guys, but I use baby soap and I use this little like spongy thing to wipe them off on and clean them really well. So I clean my brushes about twice a week, and I love doing this on Sundays, and typically on around Wednesday I might do them again, so depending on what makeup I've done for that week. So I need to get my brushes ready, so I need to clean my powder brush. My brushes are a mix of everything. I have the James Charles brushes, I have okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom now and I'm going to clean all my makeup brushes. And what I'm going to go ahead and use to do that is I'm going to go ahead and take this little like spongy thing that you like put your brush in to clean it. And I'm also going to be using just some baby soap because it is gentle on your brushes and it's cheaper than brush cleaner. So this is just the Johnson's Head to Toe Baby Wash, and I'm going to go ahead and just wash my makeup brushes. So yes, and I'll kind of show you guys how I do that. I just kind of dip the brush in to get it wet a little bit, and then I go ahead and just take this and get it wet just so it's like wet, you know. And then what I go ahead and I do is I'm just going to put a little bit, if I can get any more out of this, and then I go ahead and just kind of deepen the brush like this to get everything. Now it's time to put some clothes away. It's a little bit later now, and I'm just waiting to eat dinner. I got a shower.
Go slow.
You want Jack?
We got all this crunchy in.
Yeah, you have to take your time. Go slow. Barely touch the throttle.
Watching some YouTube videos and skincare. It's my my 21st birthday, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I've had a wonderful day so far. It is January 6th, and that means it is my birthday. And I actually got coffee with a friend this morning, and then something wonderful happened where one of my teachers from middle school saw me and actually gave me a present for my birthday and helped me get through, like, get some stuff for school. So thank you so much. I am so grateful for everybody that I have in my life, and everyone's been wishing me happy birthday, so thank you all so much for all your love and support and care. So I got some coffee with Chrissy, and thank you thank you Chrissy for the coffee. I can't talk. And I'm about to go do my makeup, and here's a little birthday outfit. Hey guys, so I got Disney Plus, so I'm just watching some Good Luck Charlie because I miss Good Luck Charlie, and it brings back so many memories from my childhood. But I'm also, like, drinking my Starbucks as I showed you guys. So this is a toasted white chocolate mocha with coconut milk. So it's really... Okay guys, so my mom and dad just gave me my birthday gift. So I had just got this top from Nike, these pants are from Nike, and then I got some more shorts from Nike, and I got some Champion leggings, and I'll show you guys those later. So thank you to my parents for the gifts for my 21st birthday. I love you guys, and like I always like ask for clothes or makeup because I love clothes and I love makeup. So those are the two things I ask for, or even coffee because I love my coffee. So that's just always what I ask for. Hey guys, so now it is Tuesday, and yeah, is it Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. I couldn't think of what day it was. You lose track of days as you get older, guys. So my 21st birthday was really good, and the party's not over yet because I'm going out with some friends, I think this weekend, from school, so I'm super excited about that. But I just did my makeup, and I went to Bible study this morning, as you guys saw. And I got some gifts from the girls from Bible Study, so thank you guys. And thank you guys for the gift cards and cake and everything. So yes, here is the makeup look for today. It's simple, natural, and easy. And I feel like I always do better on this side than this side, but it's okay. We got it. So I'm in this messy bun because I didn't feel like washing my hair. And then I'm just in like a basic outfit of color. So this is going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this vlog has been everywhere and it's a couple of days later now. But I will talk to you guys in my next video. And don't forget that you're beautiful. And you can do anything that you put your mind to. And that you should be an inspiration. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.